Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're worried about your personal data being exposed online, today's video is for you. I'm reviewing Incogni, a service designed to remove your personal data from data brokers and protect your privacy. And I'll share the best coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can sign up at the lowest price. As always, I've included a special link in the description that applies the biggest available discount automatically, so you get the best deal. So, what exactly is Incogni? It's a data removal service created by Surfshark that helps you take back control of your privacy. Data brokers collect and sell your personal information. Things like your name, address, phone number, and even shopping habits, often without your consent. Incogni automatically sends removal requests on your behalf and keeps monitoring those brokers to make sure your data stays out of their databases. Here's why Incogni is worth using in 2025. Automated data removal. Saves you hours of manually contacting data brokers. Covers 180 plus data brokers, including those most likely to sell your info. Ongoing monitoring so your data doesn't pop back up after removal. Helps reduce spam calls, phishing attempts, and targeted ads. Gives you peace of mind knowing your private information is actually private. Now, let's talk about saving money. Here are the best Incogni coupon codes and deals for 2025. Incogni 20. Get 20% off your subscription. Save 25 inemlia, 25% off annual plans. The best value if you want year-round coverage. Flash Inc. Limited time extra 10% discount during seasonal sales like New Year or Black Friday. And if you don't want to manually try codes, just click my special discount link in the description. It's always updated with Incogni's biggest active deal and applies the savings automatically at checkout. Pro tip, go for the annual plan. Not only do you save the most money, but you also ensure your data stays monitored all year long. Privacy protection isn't a one-time fix. It's something you want to maintain continuously. So that's my review of Incogni and why it's one of the best tools to protect your privacy in 2025. If you're ready to take back control of your personal data, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and get started with Incogni today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more online security tips and privacy tools, and comment below letting me know if you've ever found your personal data online. I'd love to hear your experience. Remember, your personal information is valuable. Don't let data brokers profit from it. With Incogni and these coupon codes, you can protect your privacy and save money in 2025.